Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, your local Sea Ray boat dealer. Today we're going to do a nice walkthrough of this gorgeous new arrival 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard in the Sea Ray blue hull colors. Absolutely gorgeous, one of the most timeless designs Sea Ray's ever done. Boat just looks like it's moving, just standing still. Stainless steel anchor, beautiful hardtop. It's an absolutely gorgeous boat. This one's got twin Mercury V10 350s on it. Nice upgrade for this model year. Turning big propellers, underwater lights. You have a really cool little swim step that comes down when you're anchored out. This has quiet ride technology, which Sea Ray developed years ago. Gets rid of noise and vibration and just make them absolutely the quietest boats on the market. This is the stone interior, nice light gray, easy to take care of, doesn't get too hot. You see SeaDeck throughout the cockpit. Battery chargers built in, nice and easy. Freshwater shower on the walkthrough. Electric shade. Look at how amazing this interior layout is for entertaining. Just everybody can be in one place, hanging out, having fun. Wet sink here, with nice counter space for making drinks, serving food. You have a refrigerator in here as well. Twin 12-inch Simrads, all full digital display. Joystick piloting, of course. DTS controls from Mercury. Keyless ignitions you see down there. All push-button starts. Fusion Premium audio in this one. This port side seat does swivel around to face forward also. Nice glove box built in. Very spacious head with vacuum flush toilet and sink and storage. Stainless steel cap on the rubber, or on the windshield frame. We do have a block off door here to give you some more protection. Look at how awesome this bow seating is. Armrests that come down on each side. Nice easy access to your windlass. Freshwater shower up here as well. What a great boat. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Again, this is a 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. It is available. Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano signing off. Thanks for watching. Take care.